Today we're going to make a very crispy skinned, moist and tender spatchcock chicken. Let me just place my chicken on this counter here really quickly. How we're going to make this spatchcock chicken today is we're going to remove this backbone. Be very careful when handling your knife. You do not want to cut yourself and you do not want to lose a fingertip or anything like that. What you see me doing is using kind of like a sawing motion with my knife, steering clear of my fingers. Go slow, we are going through bone, so it will take a little bit longer. Make sure your knife is very sharp. And now we're going to take care of this other side here. And what we're going to do is we are going to hold our knife at about a 45-degree angle, and then we are going to proceed to cut and pull the backbone away. Here's another tip that I did not implement in this video, which I should have. You may want to use a damp paper towel or some kind of rubber silicone trivet underneath your cutting board so it does not move around. It'll make your life a lot easier, trust me. Once your backbone is removed, you can either freeze it for future stock or just toss it. I won't need mine today, so I'm just going to toss it. If you enjoy cooking content, consider subscribing, comment below, like and share this video. Let me just go ahead and grab a baking sheet here. Just one moment. Let me move this chicken aside really quickly and we will begin to allay our chicken flat. Okay, there we go, looks pretty good. Let me just tuck these wings behind the breastbones there. It'll create a nicer presentation and the final result will be beautiful. And now we're just going to season this with some salt and pepper. I don't have exact measurements, I'm just going to kind of do what I think looks good. And after that, we are going to use some paprika, garlic powder, and onion powder. We will do the same thing for those as well. We'll just use an amount that we think looks good. Be careful with your garlic powder and onion powder because they can be quite strong, and you can always add a little bit more, but you cannot necessarily take it away if you add too much. I've got my list of ingredients in the description box. Let's just go ahead and rub the seasoning in really quickly. This is going to help create a beautiful flavor. As you guys have noticed, there are OXO affiliate links in the description. If you decide to make a purchase using one of those links, I will earn a small commission, and it will help the channel, so thank you very much in advance. Kind of a messy job here. Let me just rotate this pan and we will get ready to put this in our oven. My chicken took approximately 1 hour and 45 minutes. This is an absolutely beautiful, simple way of cooking a chicken. It's also going to make sure that everything cooks evenly. Let me just take it out of the oven really quickly. Oh, check out that beautiful color. Oh my goodness. Okay, let's go ahead and check this chicken for doneness now. Let me just check really quickly, and if we need to cook it a little more, we will do that. Yep, I'm not sure if you guys can see on that screen or not, but the juices are a little bit cloudy, so we are going to put it back in for about another 15 minutes. Okay, now this chicken's been in for about 15 minutes. You can see some of the steam coming off the pan there. Alright, and here it is once again. Let me just adjust this camera really quickly. I apologize about that. I don't know if you guys can see this or not, but I have a little gray mat that my baking sheet is on. What this mat is it's actually an OXO product. It is a large silicone drying mat. Usually it's for dishes, but the great thing about it is that it doubles as a pan trivet. So you can put your hot baking sheets on it. This is safe for up to 425 degrees Fahrenheit. Let me just check the doneness on this side really quickly. Alright, it looks pretty good, and we'll just double check this and make it a little bit bigger there. Okay, looks great. It's got an absolutely beautiful color. I've got this covered. It's been resting for about 20 minutes or so. And now we're going to get ready to cut it up. I'm just going to start with these hindquarters here. Alright, there we go. You've got one released. Oh, I'm sorry, I bumped the camera there. Oh, look at how beautiful that is. It's totally cooked. Oh, the flavor is gonna be so good. Let me just take care of this other one here. There we go. And now these wings, let's get to going on them. So when you turn the wing toward the chicken and rotate it up a little bit, there's going to be a little tendon that your knife will cut through easily. So there you go. These wings were just stubborn this time around, so I apologize about that. And now we're going to quickly cut through that breastbone. You might have to use a little bit of force to get that breastbone to come apart there, but it will. There you have an absolutely beautiful, beautiful, fully cooked spatchcock chicken. You've been watching Cook with Dani, and we'll see you in the next one.